In this video, we'll be changing the battery inside a Nissan Sentra key fob. There are, I think, three versions. You can see I have 4 and 5 buttons here. There might be a 6-button version as well. It doesn't matter which one you have. You can follow along with this video because the process is going to be the same for all of them. All you'll need to get it done is a CR2032 battery, which you can get online, and I have put a link down in the description that'll take you over to Amazon where you can find these batteries for a good price. And the only other thing you will need, I believe, is just a regular flathead. Yeah, a smaller sized flathead screwdriver like the one I have right here. So let's get right into it. Go ahead and flip over your device. Hold down the little lever on the back and pull out the internal key. Now you can see, looking on the bottom, there is this opening in the plastic right there. We're going to take our flathead, insert it in, just push it down into place and twist. And as soon as you feel the key fob opening up, stop twisting up here and just kind of work your way down that opening. So I'm putting my flathead in there and then just twisting as I come down. And that way you avoid messing up the plastic in that opening too much. So pull it apart with your fingers, and now we have access to the battery, and we're just going to use the same flathead screwdriver to pry it up and out. So try to get the corner under and just lift the battery up. Once more, this is a CR2032. And when you're putting your new battery in, the positive side that has this plus sign on it should be facing down. You'll just push it into place, positive side down, and then put the key fob back together by just lining it up and giving it a squeeze. You can put your key back in there as well, and you will be finished. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, feel free to drop us a like or let me know down in the comment section. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come check us out here on YouTube or at our website, FobBattery.com.